Park your vehicle in my Amsoil garage. Find your oil viscosity and long life filter. Also, there are many other things that this app can do for you. Hi, I'm Serge from RLK Lubricants. This app is absolutely free. It does not ask for credit card or other payment information at all. You can list as many vehicles as you want in this app, and this app will list all the lubricants and accessories that are available for your vehicle specifically. It tracks oil and filter changes. It will also email you maintenance reminders. Now let me show you how to get started right now. To get started, click the link below and it will bring you here. Select your country. I'm in Canada. I'll select Canada. Then enter your name, password, 6 characters long. Go over the terms and conditions. Click I'm not a robot. Select images. I don't think so. Verify. Create my account. Okay, so here you are in. I'll just make that a bit smaller, and it worked. Now, to go to my garage. My Amsoil garage is located down here on the left. Okay, just left column, go down my Amsoil garage. Click on that. You have to accept these conditions. Okay, terms and conditions. Accept. And you're in. Now it gives you an example of what it looks like when you have multiple vehicles entered in there. So you can go through it. It gives you a bit of an overview of how it works. Click got it. Now the first thing I'm going to get you to do is go to settings here on the right. Click on that. And here in the middle, select how you want your units to show. If you're in the US, you probably want to look at Fahrenheit, US standards as far as volume units, like ounces and quarts, the distance in miles. If you're in Canada, I'm in Canada, I like metric, so I'll go Celsius, metric, and kilometers. Save the settings. This is it. So go back to the my Amsoil garage here, and then add a piece of equipment. Now we want to add your vehicle. Okay, select equipment type. You have many options here: car, motorcycle, ATV, UTV, bus, farming, marine, outboard, lawn and garden, recreational vehicle, small engine, snowmobile, etc. So we'll just go with a car at the moment. I'll select a year, model, 2017. Make, I'll go with a Dodge truck, Durango, 2017 Durango. Select engine, I'll go with the big 5.7 liter. Okay, then next. Name, I'll attach a name. Let's say it's my own. Purchase date, I said 2017. I'll just pick a date. Folder, my vehicles. Kilometers at purchased. It was new, so I'm going to say 125 kilometers per year. I drive about 22,000 kilometers. Recorded kilometers to date, let's say 75,000. You can enter a prescription if you wish. Then I'll save, I'll finish. Click finish. And here you go. This is the vehicle information. So my name, Serge. We're looking at the 2017 Dodge truck. This is the detail of the equipment. Now if you want to look at the products, you just click the product tab here. And here are all the recommended products for that vehicle. It starts with lubricants and fluids, engine oil. There's 1, 2, 3 different options. You got a maximum performance, performance plus, performance. You can go through the details of each of these. You can either click on the oil itself. It brings you here, the price, it gives you the detail. This one, guaranteed protection for up to 25,000 miles or 1 year. And it provides more details about it. You can read all that. And it does that for each products that are listed in here. Okay. It also then automatic transmission fluid, differential fluids. It shows transfer case fluids, power steering, brake fluids. Options for the oil filters. There's two here. Air filter and chassis lubrication, zero fittings, zero plugs. And here are capacity information. So the engine requires 6.6 liters. The cooling system, 15.2 liters. Automatic transmission is not specified. Differential, 0.8 liters. So much information here. The oil drain plug torque rating is 20 foot-pounds when you reinstall it. And information about the transfer cases. There, reminders. Add new reminder. If you want to add a oil change reminder, you specify a date that you want to be reminded of. Okay, let's say January. Let's say it's going to be in May 20. I want to receive an email reminder. Send an email. Save new reminder. There you go. You schedule an oil change and it reminds you on that date. There will be a service history once you have used this system for a while. Okay. Now, when you go back here on the left column, My Vehicles, it will list all the vehicles you have entered. So I have two in there already. It lists the two. You can enter as many as you want in here. There you go. That's how you can use this system. I don't want to make this any longer. I'll make another video at a later date about more in-depth details about this video. Right now, I just wanted to get you started in here. All right, good luck to you all. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me, contact me, or list it below the video in the comment section. Thank you for listening.